Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure battery level is enough and the phone is unlocked, then go straight into settings. Once there, find home screen and lock screen or display and brightness. Different firmware labels exist. Tap the lock screen or wallpaper entry and preview available options. You need to know whether you want a static image, live wallpaper, or a built-in theme. Choosing here saves time later. Make sure to grant any permission, prompts, so wallpapers can be applied without interruptions. Now you pick the exact image or wallpaper. If you choose gallery, tap the photo, then use the crop tool to set aspect ratio or move the focal point. Vivo phones often default to 16:9 preview. Once cropped, choose whether to apply to lock screen only or both lock plus home. You should preview the result. If it looks off, go back and adjust crop or choose a different image. This step controls how icons and widgets overlap on your lock screen. Finish by adding any lock screen widgets or shortcuts if you want quick access. These options live in the same lock screen settings. Once set, confirm by locking the phone and waking it to check placement and animation. If the wallpaper won't apply, reboot the device and try again. Make sure storage permissions are allowed for the gallery. If problems persist, clear wallpaper or themes cache, or install system updates. Those fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.